Hello and welcome to the AzChief poster, ad campaign tutorial video. At the first screen, we can notice that there are a lot of fields and buttons, and also we can see the current software version, the software package, support and updates and the latest software version. As the other software we have tutorials button, support and instructions button. How the software works is you are setting up a campaign, and the software is posting at the scheduled time. In order to start, first set up a campaign name, WordPress URL / link to your site, the logging WordPress username of the site and WordPress password. Now if we check this box, then we are creating a new WordPress installation, and from this button we can set up the required informations. We can install theme from the most popular themes on WordPress or install theme from the online auto generator. In order to install theme, the Do Not Install Theme switch should be switched off, and then select a theme. If we need theme from the online list, the install themes from online should be switched on, while Do Not Install Theme should be switched off. The themes are generated by clicking Get Themes button. If we want to use auto posting on Facebook or Twitter, we can use these two switches. Now we need to set up products that we are going to use for the poster. We can do this by clicking Select Products. Upload a file with ASIN codes or paste the codes into the window. Also in this pop-up window we can set up the campaign's frequency and posts per session. And the last step is to set up our API keys, that are required in order for the software to work. It's mandatory to set up all the Amazon API keys with the affiliate ID, and also YouTube API key is required. This is due to the fact that the posts on WordPress are with YouTube video. The last thing that must be selected is the Amazon Marketplace country from this list here, while the other fields are optional. The button Save Settings will save the API keys for future use on different campaign. There is an option also to set up tracking code into the software, so you can track the traffic and performance of your posts. After we are done with fulfilling all the fields with the button Create Campaign, the process starts.